Hello, everyone, and welcome to Investage Academy. If you're an entrepreneur or planning to start your own business, one of the most important skills you need to learn is risk management. In today's video, I'll explain what risk management is, why it's important, and how you can apply it to your entrepreneurial journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to handle risks effectively and protect your business. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. What is risk management? Simply put, risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and taking steps to minimize or handle potential risks that could affect your business. Risks can come in many forms: financial risks, market risks, operational risks, or even unexpected events like economic downturns, supply chain disruptions, or natural disasters. Now, why is risk management so important for entrepreneurs? Well, starting and running a business is full of uncertainties. If you don't plan for risks, they can catch you off guard and harm your business. For example, imagine launching a product without considering the possibility of low demand. That could lead to financial losses. But if you manage risks effectively, you can reduce their impact and even turn some risks into opportunities. Risk management helps you stay prepared, make better decisions, and build a more resilient business. Let's break down the steps of risk management so you can apply them to your business. There are 4 main steps in the risk management process. Step 1. Identify the risks. The first step is to figure out what could go wrong. Think about all the areas of your business, your finances, your operations, your market, and even external factors like competition or regulations. For example, if you're running a physical store, risks could include theft, equipment failure, or a drop in foot traffic. If you're running an online business, risks could include website crashes, cyber attacks, or changes in customer behavior. Make a list of all the possible risks you can think of. Step 2. Analyze the risks. Once you've identified the risks, the next step is to analyze them. Ask yourself 2 key questions. How likely is this risk to happen? And if it does happen, how big will the impact be on my business? This step helps you prioritize which risks need the most attention. For example, a risk that's very likely to happen and has a big impact should be your top priority. On the other hand, a risk that's unlikely and has a small impact might not need immediate action. Step 3. Develop a plan. Now that you know which risks are most important, it's time to create a plan to deal with them. There are 4 main ways to handle risks. Avoid the risk. If possible, change your plans to eliminate the risk. For example, if a supplier is unreliable, you could switch to a more dependable one. Reduce the risk. Take steps to minimize the likelihood or impact of the risk. For example, if you're worried about data loss, you could back up your files regularly. Transfer the risk. Pass the risk to someone else, like buying insurance or outsourcing tasks. For example, you could get liability insurance to protect your business from lawsuits. Accept the risk. If the risk is small or unavoidable, you can choose to accept it and prepare for it. For example, if you know there's a chance of seasonal slowdowns, you can plan your budget accordingly. Step 4. Monitor and review. Risk management isn't a one-time thing. You need to regularly review your risks and update your plans as your business grows and changes. New risks can appear, and old risks might no longer be relevant. For example, as your business expands, you might face new risks like managing a larger team or entering new markets. Staying proactive is key. Let me give you a quick example to make this clearer. Imagine you're starting an online store. One risk could be that your website crashes during a big sale. To manage this risk, you could avoid it by not running sales during peak traffic times. Reduce it by upgrading your website's server capacity. Transfer it by hiring a web hosting service with guaranteed uptime. Or accept it and prepare a backup plan to quickly fix the issue if it happens. By following these steps, you're not just reacting to problems, you're preparing for them in advance. Now, here are a few tips to make risk management easier for you. 1. Stay informed. Keep up with industry trends and market changes so you can spot risks early. For example, if you notice a competitor launching a similar product, you can adjust your strategy. 2. Build a safety net. Have an emergency fund or backup resources to handle unexpected situations. This could be extra cash reserves, backup suppliers, or even a crisis management team. 3. Get advice. Talk to mentors, experts, or other entrepreneurs who can help you identify and manage risks. They might have experience with risks you haven't even thought of yet. 4. Stay flexible. Be ready to adapt your plans if things don't go as expected. Flexibility is one of the most important traits of a successful entrepreneur. To sum it up, risk management is all about being prepared. It helps you protect your business, make better decisions, and stay confident even in uncertain situations. Remember, every entrepreneur faces risks. It's how you handle them that makes the difference. By identifying, analyzing, and planning for risks, you can turn challenges into opportunities and build a stronger, more resilient business. Thank you for watching Investage Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and business growth. Let me know in the comments how you manage risks in your business or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.